Hi guys, gumawa pala ako ng compilation video regarding po sa 18th anniversary namin ngayon sa fraternity, yung Alpha Sigma Beta. So ito po yung logo namin. So check it out guys. Salamat po sa lahat po ng nagbahagi at nag-rate ng kanilang mga video. Long live Pro brothers and sisters. Mabuhay!
Happy anniversary, Thessalonian. Long live brothers and sisters.
Happy 18th anniversary, Alpha Sigma Beta, half brother and sister from Beta Sigma Chi. Long live mga
Happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta. Greetings from Chileans, Aquarius, Lambda Delta, Lambunaw Chapter. Long live.
Happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta Thessalonians. Long live brother and sister.
Happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta. Long live brothers and sisters.
Happy 18th founding anniversary to all our brothers and sisters, and the most sincere gratitude towards our founders for setting a solid. Again, happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta.
Happy anniversary Thessalonians, long live brothers and sisters.
Happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta, Upright brothers and sisters from Beta Sigma Chi, Chilean, Sigimaras Chapter. Long live brothers and sisters.
Happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta. Long live brothers and sisters.
Happy anniversary brothers and sisters. Long live.
Yung agas tanan, just wanna greet happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta. Greetings from Beta Sigma Chi, Oton Cancer Chapter. And enjoy your day. Long live.
Hi everyone, greetings coming from First Vice President of United Fraternity and Sorority of Panay. Happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta. To all of your brothers and sisters, sincerity, gratitude toward your founder for setting a solid foundation for your brotherhood. May we continue to uphold your values and vision for many years to come. Happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta.
Happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta, no? Greetings from Beta Sigma Chi from Carlis Chapter. Yan, kadagat.
In behalf sang Alpha Kaparo Rho Omicron Oton Chapter, gusto ko lang i-greet sang happy 18th founding anniversary ang Alpha Sigma Beta, especially kay Brad Joey Cabalunga. Enjoy lang kamo Brad sa inyo nga founding anniversary. Long live Oton United Fraternities and Sororities. Long live United Fraternities and Sororities of Panay. Long live sa aton tanan.
Happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta from Beta Sigma Chi. Long live brother and sis.
Happy 18th anniversary to all members of Thessalonians Alpha Sigma Beta, to all brothers and sisters. Long live. Greetings from Tapas Capiz Chapter.
Happy 18th anniversary Alpha Sigma Beta. Long live.